Using Coda and Grammarly together, it's just a beautiful marriage of two tools for two work processes that are so important to my business. I can create really clear documentation, I can catch any errors, and ensure our brand style guide is implemented even in how we talk about clients and their products. Hi, my name is Maddy Osman. I am the founder of the Blogsmith Content Agency for B2B technology brands. I was looking for a tool where members of my team would be empowered to make updates within their own departments without having to pay for a seat for every single person who makes updates. In Coda, you're only paying for the user who creates the initial documents. From there, other team members are able to edit those documents without me needing to add paid seats for the privilege. Coda empowers team members with the information that they need in order to complete their task. Whether it's client-specific information, their persona documentation, and standard operating procedures. With Grammarly, we make use of the custom style guide to make it really straightforward for my team to be on the same page and not waste a lot of time on unnecessary edits. With Grammarly and Coda, my team is finally able to have an effective single point of truth for both our style rules and the essential processes that underlie our content creation.